Welcome everyone to the September issue of the Highball Advisors Railroad Retirement Newsletter. My name is John McNamara of Highball Advisors, and once again the word for September is going to be inflation. All right, end of the last month, August, just had a big discussion by Fed Reserve Chairman Powell. He's going to be raising interest rates again. Right, inflation's just not going away yet, so we got to be really attentive to what that's going to mean. It's going to mean higher interest rates, and we're not sure what it's going to really mean for the stock market yet. So we'll keep an eye on that. But boy, they're really trying to get the inflation out of the system. So like I said, we'll keep an eye on that. This month, I want to draw your attention to some other things. On the whiteboard, my first one is 5 things I would change if I was in charge of the Railroad Retirement Board. Really fun video, had a lot of good fun, a lot of good comments in the comment section. Check that video out and feel free to add some comments. And then on my mailbag, of the month, can I buy service months for railroad retirement, right? A lot of railroaders will be a few months away from railroad retirement. Hey, can I just buy those months instead of actually working that? So check out that video and I talk about that issue. For my flow chart of the month, I have should I pay off debt, right? Especially now with inflation, people really stretching that dollar as far as they can. Should I be paying off debt, right? Check out that flow chart. Really, it all starts with making sure you have that emergency fund, or at least access to emergency funds, because you just never know what comes up. But go through that flow chart. I think you'll find it really useful. And then finally, my economic chart of the month is U.S. stock performance during a recession. So despite what you hear, we're in a recession. We have 2 negative quarters of GDP. All right, so that's technically a recession as far as most people are concerned. So how does the stock market really perform during recession? You'd be surprised. Have a look at that. It shocked me a little bit when I put that one up. So hope you enjoy this month's newsletter. Please share this with other railroaders. That's great. And if you're at or near retirement, feel free to reach out to me for boarding for railroad retirement process. Good stuff to go through that. And subscribe to my YouTube channel as always. Until next month, everyone, please stay safe, stay on track, and take care. So long, everybody. Bye.